Okay, so we're back in. I put a $50 in and I must have got a line hit, but the games have come up anyway. Oh, come on, just 2. Would it do it? Would it do it? Please, 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 please. Oh. Oh. Thought that was yours, Joan. Come on. Oh, 3. No, 2. Teasing. Okay, now. Come on, one more. One more. No. Okay. We got one more game. Oh, come on, one more. Oh, good. Thank you. Oh. Come on. Come on, train. Let's have a go at the train. Come on. One more. Uh-oh. No. It's not bad. $50. I'm happy with that. So we've got 2 lots. We've got the games here. This is so rare. And then we've got the balls. So we're going to start with the balls and then we're going to have the games. So let's go. Wow. Come on, bring some words. Come on. Oh, the minor went through and then it brought 75. Oh gosh, come on. Oh, one more? No. Alright, that's okay. Alright, now we're going to start the bonus. See if we can get the balls in the bonus. Alright. Oh, come on, just one. Yes, thank you. All babies, but it's the start. Okay, come on. Oh no, come on, just one. Oh dear. Oh dear. Alright. Well, we've still got 3 more free games, so we'll see what happens. Oh, can we get 2? Come on, 2. Yes. Okay, hopefully we'll get some words. Come on. one more. Thank you. Nice. Okay. Oh, we've got 2 more games. Wow, okay. Oh, that's not bad. Look, $101 for a $1.25 bet. I'm happy with that. Very happy. Okay. Got a bonus, picked up a mini. Come on, train. Ooh. One more. No. Okay. $36. In again, dollar bet. Oh, come on. Anything with words. Come on. Just one. Oh, mini. Nice. Okay, I will take it. Nice. Okay, 40. Okay, we picked up another bonus. We just need these firecrackers early. Come on. Alright, that's better. Now 2 more firecrackers. Come on. It's 1. Oh, numbers. Oh. Okay, so we've got the rings. Okay, numbers now. Numbers. Yeah, the mini. That's Alright, let's see. What else can we get? Anything? No, that's okay. Okay, I've got 2 more free games. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, that's so good. Come on. Just need that train. Come out. Yeah, but it's not, they're not big ones. Just trying to get that train. Yeah. Oh, it's 1 more game. Oh, now we want the numbers. Come on. No. Okay. 86. Look, I'm happy with that for a $1 bet. Okay, we're in it again. I've seen the train on here. Oh my god. Yeah, come on. Oh. Come on, train. Just fill up, will you? Come on. Oh, 45. That's nice. Going, come on. Thank you. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Land. Oh, not today. Still, I'm happy with that for 90-cent bet. Yeah, that's good for 90 cents. Yeah, I'm happy with that. All right. Money on one line. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on, numbers. Numbers. Oh my gosh. Come on. Numbers. Oh, look, I needed one more choo-choo actually. Oh, well, look. $50. All right, let's just go to $2 here. Okay, well look at this, 10-cent genome, $1 bet, got a mini, so I'm happy with that. Can we get anything else? Come on, anything? No, said that's enough. But still I'm happy. $1.21 for a $1 bet, yeah. Okay, oh my gosh, rowdy room at the moment. Come on, one more. All right, now numbers. Come on, nuggets. Come on. love the train. Come on. Or a major. Come on, one more. Thank you. Come on. Okay. That's 78. Okay, we finally got a bonus. You know, I love to go 5. So if it's gonna do something, come on. Oh, I've got the queens, but yeah, if we had the diamond or the... Is it? No, I'm only on 1 cent, darling. What's it? 117? How was that? 117? Yeah, I know that. Okay. Well, that's a good win anyway. Thank you. Okay.
Where's the train? I can hear it.
Yeah.
The miner went through. Come on, one more.
Oh, wow.
That's a flop.
Probably because they gave the 2. Yeah.
Your $40 maybe. Just at the pub
So
today.
49.
49.
Well, you've just turned up.
I just turned up.
turned
First
up.
press.
Yeah, he's first press. There you go. You're lucky. I gave up on this one. Okay, well I'm happy. Look, $1 bet. We got a $50 ball. So if the purple can land in there, that'd be great. I'm slipping off my chair. Sorry. Now I'm moving around. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay. Oh, come on, purple. Come on. Somehow. Don't think it's going to happen, no. Okay. $60, nice. We were in again. That took a bit to get the bonus, but hopefully we'll get the purple this time. That's nice, 10. Come on, purple, come on. Land in the numbers. Come on. Come on, purple. Oh, come on. No good. Makes it like it's going. Oh, 41. Okay. We're in it again. Oh, come on. Something times 15. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Kings times 10. Oh, does it pay that? Oh, it does. Okay. Come on. Oh. 48. That's not bad. Yeah, I do like this game out of all of them, I reckon. Yeah, the Inca. Another bonus. Look, I I'm quite happy with it. Oh, let's try this one. And she's going, no. Come on. Just one good line hit. Oh, needed one down here. Come on. That's it. Yeah. No, I needed a tiger here, and then I would have at least had 5 tigers. Yeah. Oh well, that's okay. Got a feature, dollar bet, 2-cent denom. Just not sure. I really want to do this one.
Mystery choice.
Mystery choice. Oh.
Might do something.
Let's see, 13. Oh, I think that's an improvement, isn't it?
Could have
13 games.
been. Times 8.
Yeah, I think that's okay. Oh dear, come on.
It's okay. Maybe something.
Yeah, if it pays something, that's right. Come on, line up. Oh, are we in? Oh, we're in. Okay. Something. We need a progressive in here. Oh, I hope so. Come on. Oh, I don't know. Uh-oh, come on. Land in the purple. Yeah, but we want it in the purple. Oh, come on. Yes, all right. Come on, more purple. Yes. All right, come on, 2 more purple. Oh, gosh. Oh, well. Still got 8 games. But yeah, we needed the tiger, the leopard, I mean. Yeah. Oh. $50, that's not bad. It's okay. Okay, we've finally got a feature only on $1.25. Yeah, just hoping that that beautiful green ball lands. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Oh, mini. Nice. Oh, can we get that last one for 5.5? Come on. One more. Come on. Come on. No. No good. At least we got a mini. Nice. Okay, we'll come back in if we get anything. Okay, we've got the 3 pots. Let's go. 6 games. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh. one more? No, 26. Okay. Oh, one. Okay, we're in straight in. All right. Come on. Something with words. Come on. Green words. Come on. Come on. One more, baby. Come on. Quick collect thing. Okay, 20. Okay, we're in a $1.50 bonus. At least we've got some good balls to start. Oh, don't stop there. Oh, nice. Come on. Uh-oh. Just one. Just one. Oh. Okay, $100. Can't complain. Okay. Nice. In again. Happy with these. We've got, yeah, so $50, 60 and 30 there. 90. Oh, over 100. Come on. Just keep going with them. Oh. Come on. Keep going. One. Just one. Just one. Just one. Thank you. Oh, look at this. 30. Okay, come on. Can it drop the major? Come on. One more. We got a bonus. Come on. We're looking for that green major. Come on. Oh, one more. Oh, nice. Mini. Come on. Oh, minor went through. Come on. One more. One more. No. Oh, at least we got a mini. That's $70, I think. Oh, nice. Okay, more than I thought. 92. Nice. That would have been nice. Alright, we'll come back in if we get something.